Hi, you are
軽く
very
走って
very welcome.
流
Welcome
して
back to my
い
channel.
きたいなと思ってます。
Good day, guys. How's it going? My name is Diego, living in Kanagawa Prefecture in Japan. What I try to share is life with motorcycle, my Suzuki 11200. I got new tyre and new clutch and drive belt. So I need to drive 100 kilometers for beginning these new stops. Today I'm gonna drive around Miyagase in Kanagawa Prefecture. My favorite place. It looks so not so good weather, but it's perfect for me. In just a little bit rain, I can see a good scenery and also good for trying a new tire on the wet and paved road. By the way, have you ever heard a crutch lever? It happened to my bike. That's originally gathering crutch. The best way to fix this situation is replacement of a crutch. So I got a replacement crutch and driver as well. Now it got to be so much better. I feel so good riding, so smooth departure and so smooth acceleration. Okay, anyway, let's have a riding around Miyagase. Miyagase in a pouring rain.
すごいね、もう霧がかって、でも綺麗ですよね。雨だから誰もいないってわけでもないけど、バイクはいないですね今日はライダーさんたちはいませんね。
Okay, let's go. So good place actually, but nobody is here today. What is this place?
ここね、来るの
It's first
初め
time
てで
to
す
come
ね。
here. Come
宮
this
ヶ瀬
place.
湖畔。カヌー場があるの？
Canoe place. The lake. Miyagase Lake.
はい、今日は
Okay, I'm going back home
雨がね
before this rain gonna be hard.
ひどくなる前に
It's time to finish this video, and I hope you like my channel. See you in next video.